In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to troubleshoot a washing machine that's making a loud banging noise during the cycle. The first thing we recommend checking is for transit bolts. If your washing machine is newly installed, transit bolts may still be fitted. Turn the appliance off and carefully pull the washing machine out to access the back. Ensure the transit bolts have been removed. If you are unsure on how to remove the transit bolts, please refer to your user manual. Next, check that the washing machine sits level on the floor. Push down gently on each corner of the machine. If it rocks or wobbles, adjust the feet until the machine sits flat and stable on a solid surface. Please refer to your user manual if you are unsure on how to adjust the feet. Soft or uneven flooring can make vibrations louder. If possible, place the machine on a solid, level surface. Next, check the load inside the drum. If you've washed bulky items like towels or bedding, they may have clumped to one side. This creates an unbalanced load, which is the most common cause of banging. Try redistributing the items evenly or running a smaller load. You can confirm if it's the load by running an empty spin cycle. If the banging stops, the issue was with the load. Inspect the drum by hand. Open the door and spin the drum manually. It should turn smoothly. Look for loose paddles, dropped coins, or other foreign objects that could be hitting the drum during the spin cycle. Next, check the pump filter. Place down a towel or tray to catch any water that may be released. Open the filter flap and remove the pump filter. Check for any debris and clear the filter if necessary. Coins or small items left in pockets can cause extra vibration and noise. Always check pockets before washing. Finally, to confirm that this has fixed the issue, run a test wash with a balanced mix of lighter items. For more help and support, go to argos-support.co.uk.